So Johnny, over-the-counter trading, how can blockchain technology help?
Well, over-the-counter trading, or OTC, effectively means buying and selling assets through a decentralised network, so without using central exchanges. And basically, it takes more and more interest from different asset classes. Now, historically, we've seen small penny shares have used OTC because there's often a lack of liquidity for that actual stock. But at the alternative end, where we see massive liquidity, is things like in the debt and securities market, where basically they cannot trade because the sizes are almost too large. And therefore, we've seen OTC trading become really, really significant. And according to the Bank of International Settlement, it surged from about 11.6 trillion at the end of 2019 to in excess of 15 trillion by last summer. That's a growth of something like 33% that they've seen in the last 6 months alone. So given this huge size of OTC trading in the derivatives market, many people are now looking towards blockchain-powered platforms around decentralised finance, DeFi, because it offers the potential to bring much greater automation and transparency, so encouraging institutions to start using it. And it's kind of ironic because in the past, many compliance officer managers were worried about DeFi and worried about using blockchain technology because it wasn't really used. But what we're actually seeing is that because blockchain technology can bring greater transparency, can actually enable trading 24/7, 7 days a week, what we're actually seeing is more and more opportunities and reasons why we could well see the technology being used actually in the biggest asset class in the world, which is in that derivatives section. So what we're also seeing, though, is if you look at what's happening in Luxembourg, they're actually now enabling people to issue digital securities, digital equities, digital bonds, using blockchain technology and no longer having the need for paper-based documentation. However, you can only do that if it's done in conjunction with a regulated entity. So are we going to see sort of regulation on the outside, almost like gatekeepers, which will carry on and do the KYC and AML and suitability, and then inside we'll see DeFi exchanges powering crypto, NFTs, DeFi and the like, and that will actually be no small part, I think, fueled by governments and the increasing adoption of digital assets by institutions.